let's give it a try. Okay, hi everyone. So what I want to do today is to change this plug. This is the last one. I changed many of them around the house and put one of this. As you can see the difference, what I'm talking about. So this one is like with the all the international, etc. So it's not replace that. And that also the USBs. This cap of like setup is pretty much the same. So you can see, you can see much actually, but let me do this. So you have to see which one is exactly you want to take. So in my case, I have to take out the ring from the living room and the bedroom. So it's this one. Okay. I put it down. We see what happens.